Athlete's foot. Introduction. Which of the following is a good measure to prevent athlete's foot? Choose one of the following options. 1. Changing socks frequently to keep them dry. 2. Walking barefoot in the locker room to avoid contaminating the floor. 3. Wearing plastic shoes. Correct. Only athletes can get athlete's foot. Select true or false. Correct. Anybody can get athlete's foot. Is athlete's foot contagious? Select yes or no. Correct. It can be passed from person to person with direct contact. It can also be passed through contact with shoes, socks, and shower or pool surfaces. It is common for a fungal infection like athlete's foot to cause a bacterial infection. Select true or false. Correct. A rare but possible complication of athlete's foot is that a bacterial skin infection could develop. Prescription medication is always needed to treat athlete's foot. Select true or false. Correct. Over-the-counter medications can usually treat athlete's foot, but in some cases, topical or oral medications may be needed. Which of the following is not an action that you can take to prevent athlete's foot? Choose one of the following options. 1. Use antifungal powder daily. 2. Wear plastic shoes. 3. Wear socks made from cotton. 4. Never share shoes with another person. Correct. You should not wear shoes made from plastic, vinyl, or rubber. Shoes made from these materials don't allow airflow and keep feet moist. Thank you for using Explain.